Good morning, students. Last class I explained here is present, past, and perfect participle. Present participle and past participle and perfect participle. I explained last class. Now, so here is I am going to explain here either or, neither nor. Either or, neither nor. Here either or should be used in positive manner, in positive way. Either or means here one of the two. Either or means here one of the two. Either or means here one of the two. One of the two. That is neither, neither nor. That is none of the two. None of the two. Either or means one of the two. It should be used in positive way. Neither nor means here is neither nor means none of the two. Okay. Then I am going to show that is how to use either or and how to use neither nor in examples. First, children, see that Victoria is lovable. Victoria is lovable. Victoria is virtuous. virtuous. So here is either or, using either or. So here children, see example. Victoria is lovable. Victoria is virtuous. Victoria has two qualities. What are they? One is lovable. Second one is virtuous. Second one is virtuous. So here is a positive sentence, not a negative sentence. How can we decide? How can we judge this positive sentence? Because in this sentence, adverbs are no or not. No or not is not found these statements. Okay, children. So either or. So this is one sentence. This is the second sentence. So here or we use conjunction. Or is here used conjunction. So answer, look at children. Here is Victoria. Victoria is. You should write either here only before that. Either. What quality here is lovable. Okay. Victoria is either lovable. Next, what sentence here? Victoria is. Victoria is. But don't write because already Victoria is here. Okay. You need not write Victoria is. Next, remaining part of the word. What is here remaining? Virtuous. Virtuous is remaining word. So we should use conjunction or virtuous. Or virtuous here is there. So here Victoria is either lovable or virtuous. Virtuous means good qualities, having a good quality. So either lovable or virtuous. ఇక్కడ lovable గాని virtuous గా రెండిట్లో ఒకటే ఉంటుంది. either అంటే రెండిట్లో ఒకటి. one of the two అన్నాం. neither అంటే none of the two అంటే రెండు కావాలి. సో ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ సెంటెన్స్ ఇచ్చా, నెగటివ్ కాదు. So Victoria is lovable, Victoria is virtuous. So here Victoria is either lovable or virtuous. So either or. Okay, sentence. Children, next sentence, second sentence. Mrs. Slater is greedy. Okay, Mrs. Slater is greedy. Mrs. Slater is dishonest. Dishonest. Here is also Mrs. Slater. Two qualities having. One is greedy, second one is dishonest. Okay. Next, so either. Simply children, here is Mrs. Slater subject. Mrs. Slater is. Here is you should write either. Either greedy. Either here is there. So Mrs. Slater is either greedy or, because Mrs. Slater is already given. He is already there. So need not write. This part is need not write. So Mrs. Slatt is either greedy or dishonest. Or dishonest, either or. So here it is. Or should be used as conjunction. You understand, children? In this way, example. One more example there is. See that. Slatt. Slatter is here is dishonest, for example. Elizabeth is dishonest. Here, Slatter is dishonest, Elizabeth is dishonest. Either or, children. Either or. Two subjects are different, children. Here, Slatter is different, Elizabeth is different. So, beginning, so in this way, subject is different, but object is the same. In this way, we should use beginning either of the sentence. So beginning answer here, children, either begin, either Slatter or Elizabeth or Elizabeth. Here is one, either Slatter or Elizabeth is dishonest. Is here dishonest. For example, pay the bill. Pay the bill. Lose the company service. So here is pay the bill, lose the company service. In this way, here is the beginning. Either, because here is subjects are different. Either pay or here is there. Either pay the bill or lose the company service. Company service. So in this way, here is either or. Either pay the bill or lose the company service. For example, another example, children. Next one. Victoria is here. Victoria is precocious, precocious, that means intelligent. Precocious, Victoria is honest. Victoria is honest. So either or, using either or. So here is subjects are same. Subjects are same is here. Then you should write here is objects different is there. Victoria is either precocious or honest. In this way, children. So here is the. We have, for example, Ram. This way there is next children. Here is neither nor. Neither nor. Using neither nor. Neither nor. Amelia is not honest. Amelia is not honest. Next, Amelia is not sensitive. Amelia is not sensitive. Here is not and not. So using neither nor. Neither nor. I already told you neither nor means here is none of the two. Negative sense we should use here is. Subjects are same. So answer C children. Amelia is. You should write here neither in the place of not. So Amelia is neither honest. Okay. So Amelia is not. We should write here neither. Amelia is neither honest nor. Okay, children, because Amelia is not already given. Amelia is not already there. So we should write Amelia is neither honest nor is conjunction used as nor. What is the remaining part of the sentence? Sensitive. So here is neither nor. Mrs. Slater, next one here is it. Mrs. Slater did not love her father. Next, Mrs. Slater did not care her father. Mrs. Slater did not care for her father. So using neither nor. Neither nor. So children see that here is did not love. Here is did not care. Did not care. So here is we are using this Mrs. Slater. So here is the Mrs. Slater neither did not place we should use here is here there is Mrs. Slater neither did love. Here is did V1 love and V1 here is there. Did love became V2. Did V1 became V2. V2 means love became loud. So Mrs. Slater neither loved her father. Okay children, next conjunction not. Now, Mrs. Slater is not there because it is already given the subject. Mrs. Slater. So, Mrs. Slater neither in the use in the place of neither not. So, Mrs. Slater neither loved her father nor conjunction. Mrs. Slater is not there. Did not, we should write here neither. So, care. Not care means did care means cared. Not cared. Cared for her father. Here V2, here is there, did, here neither nor. Mrs. Slater neither loved her father nor cared her for her father. In this way, here is did not. You should use here love. Next example, see that children. Amelia, one more children here, last example here is Amelia did not love her father. Amelia did not love her father. Stop. Elizabeth did not love. Elizabeth did not love her father. Her father. So, children, simple neither nor. Neither nor. Okay, here is children, subjects are changed. Different. Amelia one subject and Elizabeth one subject. In this way, we should use neither nor beginning of the sentence. In this way, we should use beginning of the sentence neither nor. Here is answer neither. Here objects are same. Not love her father, not love her father same. So in this way we should write here neither Amelia nor Elizabeth. Subject here is Elizabeth. So neither Amelia nor Elizabeth. Here did love. Here did plus V1. Here V1 means love. So did love became V2. Did love became loved. So that neither Amelia nor Elizabeth loved her father. So here is children neither with beginning nor, because subject different, two subjects having. So we should use nor between two subjects, either Amelia or here Elizabeth. Neither Amelia nor Elizabeth loved. Here is past tense V2. Because the verb is here, helping verb is did love. Here is V1, did love, did V1 became V2 loved. In this way, so I think you have to practice neither nor, either or of your workbooks respectively, unit 2. Already last time, that is previous class, I have already explained unit 1, neither nor or either or. But once I repeated here is in this unit, because it is very important topic in your examination point of view, children. Okay, children. Thank you. We see you next class.